guys,
Your daughter must be pretty too.
welcome
My
to
daughter's
this
very
video,
pretty, yeah.
and I'm playing
So
Willy
my son's
Friendly
very
Buddy.
handsome too.
Very
Look
handsome.
at the kids.
I am gonna
As tall as you?
do this.
No, he's short by about an inch.
So,
Probably,
yeah.
He's like
What about
one.
the
I can
daughter?
heal all people emotionally,
5'7".
mentally, and physically.
Yeah, she's 5'7", but petite.
A part of my
She looks a lot like me. Yeah, she's very
individuality.
pretty.
How old's the other?
22.
Now,
She'll be 23 the end of September, and then my son's they're 21 and 22.
Yeah, daughter's so
Alright, next.
pretty.
Yeah, they're
Very,
nice.
very pretty.
Yeah, she's good, and she loves tattoos. She's all inked up. Yeah, she's all inked up. She keeps getting new ones.
Jared too, very handsome.
no.
Jed's good kid.
Aw,
Very handsome.
Yeah,
I like that name.
Jade.
Jared.
we went with Jade Estrella Martinez and Jared
You will
Emmerich
be
Martinez.
immoral?
They both have the same
No.
initials, J-E-M.
No.
Emmerich is half Emmett, half Eric.
Well, what are these
Jade
questions?
Estrella.
What?
Yeah, Jade Estrella. I mean star.
Jade,
So the
Jade
apocalypse?
Estrella Martinez. My friends were like,
Jared.
next on the stage
Oh, I
is
love him.
Jade Star. Come on up. Like,
I
sure.
will
Jared.
not.
Jared Emmerich.
Like, these are
Have
so stupid
Emmett, Eric.
questions.
Oh, Emmerich.
Yeah, Emmerich. I didn't want another Eric Jr. or
Nah.
Emmett. My father's name is Emmett.
Where
Emmett.
did your name Eric come from?
Okay.
That's my middle name. My father's name is Emmett Eloy Martinez. I'm Emmett
You may
Eric Martinez.
eliminate one
But
group of
growing up,
your deep
instead of yelling
pies
at me, they just said, let's call him Eric.
from the
So
planet.
all my family
Maybe
called me Eric.
one social
Do I look like
group,
an Eric to you?
ethnicity.
That's what I forgot to tell you. My name's Eric too. ERIC, yeah.
Is your brother Mike okay though? Because I heard like Mike Martinez got shot.
I will
That's a
click
different
the button.
Martinez.
Oh,
I
okay.
even texted him. I go, hey bro, I heard you got shot. I mean, no, you got hit by a car. I was like, I heard you got hit by a car, bro. You doing okay? It's another Mike Martinez now.
You can masturbate.
Yeah.
Because I saw it in the news.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, and then
Why would you want to
He
masturbate?
does kind of. He even sounds like him kind of too, but it wasn't him. That's a different police
Did
department.
you guys see on the news the 2 dead bodies found?
Yeah.
In Torrance.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You
but I
become
hope
a
I didn't leave my
bestseller
wallet
writer
there,
and make a
'cause they
fortune.
deserve it.
The books are ridiculed by the public and only probably reached the teenage girl.
I don't know what it
No. Next. You will become the smartest person in the world.
No, I know. I can't wait. You know, I was gonna call my brother because
Everyone, if everyone would hate me.
He's gonna pull. He's a
No, I
detective, so
won't.
he's gonna pull the case for that.
No, you're kidding.
Yeah.
there's-
Remember when China died?
Yeah.
China the
You'll
wrestler.
become-
He
Alright,
was the first one in
next.
the apartment. He texted me. He goes, "Hey, bro, check it out, dude. I'm in China's
You're
apartment."
kidding me.
He goes, "You will never guess."
So
dude."
he's gonna take over that case.
He should if he's the lead detective right now, but I don't know if he's gonna take the case.
Does he take away tickets?
No, you have to go to court. What you have to do is go to court
I
and
will
fight
press
them.
the button.
And hopefully they won't show up. Or what you do if you go to court?
I
gotta stop playing.
and we
How much you have in tickets?
When we're down
Will
the beach,
die shortly after its
I gotta
release.
stop playing.
when we're down
Okay, I
the beach.
don't know. I don't
How much
know.
they
This-
Long Beach.
Oh yeah,
How
I
much
won't
they
help
give
you
you?
there.
How much?
Huh?
How much they give
It's
you?
like 200.
Right, next. These are high school,
Mine
but
was
with your
speeding.
present mind it is
Well,
same.
mine was
It's a red
speeding.
light. I didn't see the red light.
Rina,
Mine was speeding. I got
someone paid
370.
my
You will be haunted by an annoying ghost that will bring
speeding
or
ticket.
get you in trouble. No one else could see
No, I
you.
need to go and pay because if I don't pay, the other
You should have taken a
suspended.
picture of that ticket with your new GoPro too.
Yeah, and GoPro too.
Also, your
I
brother.
will not, because I'm going to get really bored.
No, not like that. Not in a different city. Long Beach is ruthless.
Starring your very own TV show that will once get great reviews.
Long Beach is ruthless too.
Really?
Long Beach, I pulled in the street on 4th Street. I pulled in on a street sweeping day, like halfway down the block. No cars were there.
That is
I looked at my rearview mirror. I was like
it's
7
higher.
houses down, and I swear the street
Next.
sweepers rolled up like an army. They came in, and
These are
the
so
parking
stupid
meter, they
questions.
swooped.
You
They
make
didn't
the
even see,
greatest
like they pulled
work
around the
of art in
corner,
history.
and I started driving off. They caught up to me, got my license plate, and mailed me a ticket.
That's why.
Really?
Mm-hmm. I was like, you son of a bitch.
Oh.
They mailed me a ticket, a parking ticket for parking because I pulled over to answer a text.
No.
And as soon as I saw him, I knew it was no parking,
You
street
know,
sweeping.
they don't take pictures in
No.
the freeway anymore
No.
Yeah, I mean, that makes sense.
because someone sued the company because this guy got caught with his lover,
Oh.
Oh.
and they sent the picture of him.
Damn.
And his girlfriend.
No, to his wife's house. 'cause
Yeah.
they wanted to-
No
Yeah.
other
And he
friend
sued the
except
company.
him.
Good.
And now they took away the law to take the picture
Yeah.
with
In
the
the front.
windshield. Yeah, in the front. They
They-
only do it in the back.
Amy.
They did the same
He
thing,
got away
something
with it.
similar. You know when you go to Vaughn's or Ralph's
Yeah.
and you have your card and you have your number punched in. This guy got a DUI and he goes, I would just left a Rite Aid or something like. They found a Rite Aid receipt or a Save-On. They found a receipt for Ralph's. They went back and they investigated
that's
and
a
they found out that he
perfect
bought the
meeting.
alcohol there and he was
Why?
drinking it and they just added it together. He sued him for privacy.
What?
Yeah, because they did that investigation. They're not supposed to do that.
Oh.
Yeah, they're not supposed to give out information like that.
Uh-huh.
They straight up sit down. Hey, did this guy buy alcohol? Here's his phone number.
I love you. I love Yu-Gi-Oh.
Right to privacy.
Yeah, I know.
Hold on one sec.
Come on, Mike. Come
Why
on.
did you
So I
do
gave, that's why I
that?
gave him a fake number,
Oh.
so I don't get any points. I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna tweet this out and say I love
Used to
Yu-Gi-Oh.
a lady, she drive through McDonald's, buy coffee, and then instead of putting it on a cupboard,
Cup holder.
she put it on her crotch right here. Herself and
That's
burn
cute.
his everything right here. And they have pictures in court. Yeah,
She
she
sued.
burned everything. She saw McDonald's and she got money.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But it's her
Yeah.
fault.
Well, it's because
The
the,
kind of
coffee is so hot, and the McDonald's they have
Alright, it's have to do
like
that.
they what they call this
There's a standard.
no, they already people are complaining about why the coffee is so hot. Yeah, but they didn't do anything. So the reason why it's so hot because it's less evaporation, so that the coffee will remain. That's why they keep the coffee boiling.
Wow.
Yeah,
Interesting.
because if it's not, it will evaporate. Yeah, that's why. And she got money. They have pictures like her blah blah.
I have to go, you guys. Good night. Thanks again for
Bye,
everything.
Annie.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright, what else? What else, you guys? What else? What else?
Huh?
You have the ride?
Yeah, she's like
You'll
5 minutes
become
away. She'll be here in a
God.
minute.
Okay, next.
We know the area.
Okay.
Thanks again.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye.
He locked the doors and well, I knew what to
Okay, I will not.
That happened to me. Someone tried to, when I lived just across, someone
Someone tried to
tried to open the doors.
I will not, you guys.
Now I get scared.
Okay.
And it's Torrance, it's supposed to be